Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650 twin cylinder fuel injected liquid cooled sport bike. Just arrived with only 10,448 miles. It's got the smoked windscreen, grip tape on the tank, fender eliminator, beautiful metallic red and black paint scheme. Come on by, make your twin cylinder sport bike dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.